This is the Eachine EAT-01 or the EAT-01, and this door for some reason doesn't stay shut. Looks like the clip might be a little busted off there. We'll have to fix that. But a really cool military style 6x6 vehicle. Now in the box you get your basic things. You get your instruction manual, you get a screwdriver, they give you a hex driver as well, then you get your USB charger and also your 7.4 volt 1200 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. So I was able to pick this up for like 39 bucks. I've seen some good things about this, so we're going to test it out. So this is 6-wheel drive. You can see the drive shaft coming from the motor to the front wheels, and then you see the drive shaft coming from the motor to the back 2 wheels there. There's a drive shaft link there. So all 6 wheels do get power to them. And then for the suspension, it is a leaf spring style suspension. And then here is the controller. It does come with a foam padded steering wheel, and then it does have throttle and steering trim. Yes, that's right, throttle and steering trim. You know what that means? That means that this is fully proportional. So turn the controller on, and we'll put that on, and let's check out the steering. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Okay, let's check the throttle out. Okay, well, hey, you see all 6 wheels going. Now these tires, they're not glued. They don't come glued. I would recommend gluing them, although I didn't. I just wanted to take it out. These tires are kind of soft. I mean, they're not super soft. They're not hard either. So I'd put them right in the middle. They're like a medium softness. But let's check out how fast this is. Again, let's check the proportional. It has a nice crawl to it. All right, well, it's not all that fast, but it's a 6x6 military vehicle. It's not supposed to be fast. It does not have a real tight turning radius either. But you get the LED headlights. I think that's it. Yeah, no tail lights. You get LED headlights. This little truck looks pretty cool. Now there is other versions. This version, I just got the cheapest one. It doesn't have a cover. There's another version that has a canvas cover on it that goes over the top. And then there's even another version that right here, you clip a 720p FPV camera and you can FPV this. One thing I did notice with the bed is it is a perfect fit for the SCX-24. And then this tailgate opens up too. So it doesn't run too bad on the pavement. It's a little slow, but like I said, it's a military vehicle. It's 6x6, but let's check out how good it does on the trail. Had a little bit of snow overnight last night. It's not a lot. It's our first snow, and I got my bright orange on. Deer season just opened up. Safety first. Wear that bright orange. I don't want to be mistaken for a deer. I don't know how I could be, but let's check out this 6x6 on the rocks. I have a feeling that the lack of suspension on this, with just being the leaf springs, I really don't think it's going to do good on the big rocks. Oh, there. I just bottomed out already over not too big of a rock. Let's try this again here. I can't even get going. There we go. Oh, this is not going good. It is not a rock crawler at all. So let's take it back to the dirt trail back there. We'll just see how good it does on the dirt. So now we are where I can test the mobility of it on a flat surface. A lot of pine needles, so that might affect the traction a little bit. This should go a lot better than back on the rocks. Okay, there's no rocks, but there is roots. But it got over the roots. Uh-oh. So the Eachine EAT 01 is a really decent RC for the money. It comes with proportional steering and proportional throttle, and then you get the 6-wheel drive, and it also came with 2 batteries. So I think this is a great deal for $40. It does go off-road. It's not the fastest. It's not meant to be the fastest. It's horrible on the rocks. It gets hung up way too easy. I am going to put this in for the December giveaway, and how that's going to work is I'm going to feature a number of RCs for the month of December. This will be the first one. Now for my giveaway, we don't know which one's going to be the giveaway. Everybody gets a chance at whichever one they enter. I will pick names off of the video of each RC that I feature for December. We'll put those names on a wheel, spin the wheel, eliminate names down to the last name, and the last name on the wheel is the winner, and you win the RC that your name got picked from. So if you want a chance at this Eachine EAT 01, then go ahead, comment down below. Your comment is your entry. You have to be a subscriber from the US. January 2nd, I'm gonna do a live drawing where I announce who the winner is of which RC they entered for. So thanks for watching this video, and good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway. But I can't wait to see who wins the next Ready to Run RC.